So in this particular section, we're gonna do the reverse. So this time the terms are listed. So what we're gonna write are the possible rule using recursive or explicit formula. So let's begin with this particular example. We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. Let's start doing the recursive formula. All you have to think, guys, is how is the next term related to the previous term? What do you notice? As you can see, after 3 is 6, after 6 is 9, after 9 is 12, and after 12 is 15. What are we constantly adding to the previous term to get the next term? Yes, it's 3. So we're adding 3 constantly. So it means basically you can write the rule as the next term is equal to the previous term plus 3. So mathematically we can write that as a sub n, that's the n term or the next term, previous term, that is a sub n minus 1 plus 3. So this is the recursive formula that would represent that particular sequence. Now the challenge here is, how are we going to write the explicit rule? Wait, how are we going to write this? So let's list first. Again, noticing that we're adding 3 constantly here. If we're going to go back to the things you learned about slope, 3 here represents a slope. So we will have the formula a sub n equals 3n. That is like following the format of y equals mx plus b plus something. Okay, so how are we going to know what number is missing? That's what we're going to do. So since a sub 1 is 3, a sub 2 is 6, a sub 3 is 9, a sub 4 is 12, and a sub 5 is 15. It should satisfy that condition that when you plug in 1 to n, the answer is 3. When you plug in 2 to n, the answer is 6. When you plug in 3 to n, the answer is 9, so on and so forth. Let's try. If I plug in 1 to n, this is the checking part. So we got a sub 1 equals 3 times 1 equals 3. Did I get 3 as the first term? Yes. If I plug in 2 to n, 3 times 2 equals 6. Is this the second term? Yes. So it means, since I got those numbers already, I don't need to add anything. So basically, thing here is 0. So in other words, the explicit formula for that one is a sub n equals 3n.